Oh, another weird rambly video, but there's multiple reasons for it. Number one, 500 subscribers. Oh, thank you so much. This is so incredible. I made an announcement type thing on Twitter at around 5:04 to make sure it was stabilized, but here we are at more than 500. Just awesome. Thank you, every single one of you. Here's to 1,000, maybe? Number two, all of my planned videos have a number assigned to them, and this one was going to be number 100. No, this isn't the 100th video I've ever made, just the 100th on the master spreadsheet thing. Number three, I'm trying out a new, to me, camera. You might notice the video quality is a bit weird, but all will be revealed in the future. You'll be seeing tons of this camera for sure. And finally, the actual reason for the video. After quite some time, I've managed to gather all of the parts to make my IBM/Lenovo ThinkCentre computer. This is a build made out of fairly matching IBM or Lenovo parts to capture some sort of businessy office look thing. Everything should be from around the same era except for maybe the mouse, but it was in a package and it says Lenovo, so close enough. And the monitor was the final piece that I'd been missing. Took me a little bit to find that one, or at least affordably, I should say, because I'm not going to spend $60 on some dying 4x3 monitor. Anyway, onto the setup and me messing around.